So we are talking about the calcium metabolism with the parathyroid. So parathyroid gland is very, very sensitive to calcium level. When it goes below 8.5 milligrams per deciliter of the blood, right away parathyroid gland secretes the PTH, or the parathyroid hormone, which in turn causes three effects: increased reabsorption of calcium, calcium release from bones, and increased calcitrol. And right after that, homeostasis is restored and the hormone stops, the release if the hormone is stopped. Something also to keep in mind: if the calcium level goes up above 11.1 grams per deciliter, thyroid gland kicks in and it produces calcitonin that forces the kidney to release more calcium into the urine, and some of the calcium is deposited in the bone. As a result, calcium in the blood goes down. How does it all pay together? Key thing to remember here, guys: the feedback loop we talked about, there is no control center for parathyroid gland. Let me tell you how it works. So here's our first stimulus: is blood calcium concentration drop. Our effector right away is the release of parathyroid. Parathyroid hormone releases the PTH. PTH is going to do three things. First, it is going to break down the calcium in the bones and add it to the blood. It is going to absorb the calcium that was going to be excreted or released. It is called back into the blood supply. Plus, the food that you're eating is going to absorb extra calcium. All these three together increase the calcium level. When the calcium level goes up above what they need, right away calcitonin is released. And the calcitonin is then going to do the opposite. It is going to increase the absorption of calcium and making the bones density higher. So in a sense, there is stimulus and effect, stimulus and effect. There is no control center for this.